Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you the loss generator review. So you might be wondering, what is the loss generator here? Now, the loss generator is a digital guide or PDF base, now also referred to as the Edison Generator, that provides DIY instructions for building a small home power device. Now, it's sold and downloaded directly from the official website rather than a pre-built physical product. Now, according to the site here, the guide includes step-by-step blueprints, schematics, a parts list, assembly diagrams, and safety guidelines for building a generator using materials commonly available at hardware stores. Now, the site describes the device as capturing natural energy sources like heat, wind, sunlight, and converting that into electricity and storing it in batteries for faster use or for later use through an inverter that supplies standard AC power. Now, it's marketed towards off-grid living, emergency backup, and camping and general energy cost reductions, with the site's own material stating it can reduce electricity bills up to 90%. Now, a figure presented by the manufacturer rather than independently verified here. Now, in this case, how do you use it? Now, the thing with this one is, after purchase, the guide is downloaded instantly in digital format. Now, the listed process involves gathering the parts specified in the material list. So, site estimates to put a total cost of under roughly $200, then following the included diagrams and step-by-step instructions to assemble the unit. Now, most listings estimate this takes about 1 to 2 hours to a weekend, depending on experience. Now, once assembled, the site's instructions describe connecting it to a charge batteries and they're drawing power through the built-in inverter for small devices, lighting, or similar loads. Now, the guide includes standard electrical safety notes, grounding, insulation, avoid direct connection to a home's breaker panel without a licensed electrician. Now, on the pricing side here, the guide is listed at around $49 or around $149 on the standard pricing here. Now, some pages show around $39 in some cases, now with no shipping cost since it's a digital download. Now, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Optional add-on guides are offered at checkout but aren't required to access the core instructions. Now, total pricing here varies a lot, so depending on when you're accessing the website, it may actually change, but that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.